In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Royal Bank of Scotland online banking. Let's make this process as straightforward and secure as possible. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once your browser is open, head over to the official Royal Bank of Scotland digital banking platform by typing in the URL www.digitalbanking.rbs.co.uk. Alternatively, you can visit their main website at www.rbs.co.uk and look for the Login button, conveniently located at the top right corner of the homepage. However, remember, as you navigate, to always ensure you see the padlock symbol and that the URL begins with https://. These are signs that the website is secure, helping to protect your personal information. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your customer number. You can also use your card number here, whichever is more convenient for you. After entering the required details, click on the Continue button. It's as simple as that, and this will prepare you for the next step in the login process. Now, you'll be asked to enter your PIN and password, but importantly, not in full. Instead, you will be prompted to input specific characters from your PIN and password, such as the second and fourth. This extra layer of security is there to protect you, so follow the instructions carefully and only enter the characters requested. After doing so, clicking Next will move you forward. In some cases, for added security, Royal Bank of Scotland might require you to verify your identity further. The system could send a code to your registered mobile phone, or prompt you to use a card reader to generate a code. If you find yourself in this step, simply enter the code sent to you. This verification step ensures that your online banking activities stay safe from unauthorized access. And there you have it, a successful and secure login to your Royal Bank of Scotland online banking is now complete. Remember, these steps are not just about accessing your account, but also about maintaining the safety and security of your personal and financial information. Logging in securely helps protect you against potential online threats. We hope this guide has been clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful banking tutorials.